have the tiniest hook on here. Going after drum butts today. I hope I get to show you guys this fish. Ooh, look at that beautiful fish. All right, you guys, we're here for the third time already this year. My trash hole. But shockingly, this is literally the cleanest I've ever seen it. Like ever. Like there's usually, if not ice, tons of tree and shit and stuff. So, oh my gosh, hot mess. But I have worms, of course my corn, because I'm trying for carp. And I actually have a trout that we didn't use when we were out west, so I'm gonna cut this guy up and throw 2 cat rods out, a carp rod, and then I'm gonna throw a wormy out, see what happens. Oily suckers. Thank goodness for rubber floorboards. Blech. All right, I think I'm over this spot, but I think we're gonna head to another spot and maybe see if we can catch still carp, catfish, or drum. So let me grab these rods. I'm gonna load up and then we're gonna head back towards home and fish from another river that's much smaller from the Missouri. We're gonna go fish the Platte and see if we get lucky there. Okay, and now we're set up at the Platte, which is, oh gosh. I was just gonna show you how mucky it is, so I changed my boots, but I didn't want to fall in. Oh, you can't even see the rods. Let's go look at my rod. It's a muddy mess. Whoa, what was that? Okay. I know. Hold on. And hold on. You guys can't see it. That's a catfish. That's a catfish. I have the tiniest hook on here. It's a cat and I have the tiniest hook on here. Ugh. We're going after drum butts today. I hope I get to show you guys this fish. Look at that beautiful fish. Oh my gosh. Well, the one river didn't pan out, but this sure did. Dang, you guys. Oh my gosh. I am so blessed to get this darn fish right now. Oh my gosh, why am I wiping off on the mud? Oh, you beautiful baby. All right, I don't want to do that too much. All right, let me get a quick picture, you guys, and we'll release this beast. What a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, I'm happy. Oh, love you. It's got a bit of a, look at that. He almost looks like a shark, you guys. Look at this, his face. Interesting. All right, guys, let's go release this beast. All righty, guys. I got a few pictures with this beaut. Now, let's let this beast go. Woo. All right. Beautiful, beautiful baddie. Oh my gosh. Well, don't make yourself more dirty. Okay. All right, well, y'all, what do you say we try for a drum again? At least it's far less windy here. Thank goodness. I was gonna eat my salad, but I'm not doing that yet. Okay. A little dirt. Never hurt anyone. I think that's enough fun for today, you guys. Please like, subscribe, comment. We'll go on more outdoor weekend adventures and catch more cool stuff randomly and unexpected. I love you guys. Stay wicked. Probably time to clean up.